Cotabato, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. At kayo po ngayon ay nanonood dito sa Digital Free TV na Aliw Channel 23, sa Sky Cable Channel 72, Signal Channel 24, TV Plus Channel 27 at GMA For the Box Channel 32. Kuya Sherwin, available din po.
Available din po kami sa digital TV devices at TV receivers. Mangyari lamang iskan ang inyong digital TVs at channel boxes upang mapanood ang Aliw 23.
At syempre yung kapatiran para sa bayan. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, kasama po si Kuyang Doc Joppy.
Ako naman po si Attorney Sherwin Enriquez.
At Jerry Sadsad po, parang wala ako sa...
Meron.
Isa ring manananggol, hindi po manananggal. Okay.
Birthday greetings, Kuya Jerry.
Actually, hindi birthday. I-promote ko lang po yung nag-guest nung nakaraan. Ating King Solomon Craft Beer.
Oh.
Yun, masarap yun.
Oo nga.
Happy birthday kay Kuyang Tito Navarrosa ng St. John's Corridor Lodge number 3. Happy birthday sa aking firstborn, si Sofia, sa September 6.
Nice. Siyempre, ito pasasalamatan ko din si JD Garcia ng ng Fairview ng Barangay 177 Caloocan. Siyempre, naglunsod siya ng isang magandang medical, dental, medical program, vitamin program, yung mga ginagawa ng usual ng isang alam niyo na. At pasasalamatan lang po natin at maraming salamat po sa tulong na ginawa niyo sa ating barangay sa Kalamansian. Maraming salamat po. Saludo po kami. Sana po ay alam na.
At ano po yung hawak niyo?
Ito po ay Angry Crab. Ano ba Angry Crab?
Yeah.
Angry Crab is located at Yangtze Street, Barangay Anunas, Angeles City, and open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. You may reach us at 0998-996-4331 or via our Facebook page at Angry Crab PH for reservation for and other inquiries.
Baka next time meron may...
Kuya Sherwin, baka naman!
Meron pa tayong lechong manok.
Oy, si Leleng's Lechon nga pala. Maraming salamat po, Batch Christian Ramos. Sa susunod po, abangan po namin ang Leleng's Lechon na masarap. Abangan po namin ng mga staff.
Okay. Para lagi kayong on time, ang ating mga relo ay
7:09 ng gabi.
Anong gamit mong watch?
Siyempre yung Crop and Watch gamit Kuya Jerry. Yung Crop and Watch natin. I-flex na muna natin yung Crop and Watch. Siyempre maraming salamat po yung mga nananakilig at saka naniniwala sa mga customers po dyan, mga kuyang, yung mga logo, anything under the sun, kaya po natin gawin yan at ilagay sa ating mga relo. Maraming salamat po.
Sa charity work naman tayo kasi ang mga kuya natin, ang Demolay ng Pasig City Chapter 113, Metro Manila Shrine Club, Pasig City Masonic Lodge 409,
Pasig Knights,
Priory ng ay nagtitipon-tipon upang yung sa bloodletting sa Philippine Blood Center last Sunday. And we got around 50 na donors.
Okay.
Ang galing.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
So,
ito, simulan na natin kasi para mahaba-haba ito
Usapang motor tayo.
Uy! Ano ba yung big bike ba yan? Ano ba yan? Sports bike?
Malalaman natin ito sa ating guest. Ang ating guest ay ang secretary ng Vespa Club of the Philippines.
Uy, motor nga ito, motor.
Motor.
Sino kayang treasurer?
Hindi ito yung compressor na Vespa. Okay, what the Vespa?
Motorcycle.
Okay. So, our guest for tonight is none other than Mr. Evan Severino.
Uy, palakpakan naman. Hi, good evening everyone. Ayun.
So first of all, on behalf of President Tim Timola, who's our club president, and the rest of the officers, thanks for having Vespa Club of the Philippines in your show tonight.
Yung formal niya.
Oo nga
Pero alamin din natin kay Sir Evan, sino yung mga officers dito? Baka meron.
May kasama pa tayong iba, no?
Bukod kay Sir Evan baka meron pa. Sir Evan, meron pa bang officer?
Sino po ba ang treasurer ng Vespa Philippines?
So ang treasurer ng Vespa Club of the Philippines ay si Attorney Tres Sherwin.
Uy!
Uy,
Sabi ko na eh.
Sir, isa nga palakpakan dyan.
Ang galing.
Grabe naman pala. Isa ka din palang Vespa Club member, ha?
Akala ko big biker lang to eh. Best
Siyempre, shoutout ko din si Paul Fred Manila. Nanonood po sa atin ngayon.
Si Paul Fred.
Oh.
Bro, baka naman.
Brother, XL po kami, ha? Small.
Small medium.
Small medium, yung mga staff natin dito. Baka nakakalimutan mo ang usapan natin, ha? Mikoy Buriel.
Yes.
Shoutout sa'yo.
Mad! Okay, sige. So, doon sa mga nakikinig sa atin para at least malaman lang nila ano ba yung difference or ano ba tong Vespa.
Vespa, oo.
Sir Evan, baka naman pwede mong i-explain sa amin, lalo sa mga nakikinig sa atin, ano ba yung Vespa?
Okay. So Vespa actually has a very rich history, no? So when we look at the first invention of Vespa, it actually started at around after the Second World War sa Italy, no? So the vehicle was actually originally intended kasi 'di ba after nung war sira-sira yung mga kalsada doon sa Italy.
Yes.
And the economy was down, naghihirap yung bansa. So the people were trying to find a way to communicate or to commute around the city with a means of transportation kasi hindi makadaan yung mga automobiles, yung mga kotse.
Four-wheel.
It's not passable because of the war. Sira-sira yung mga daan. So the Vespa was actually invented from old plane parts. So
galing.
kung mapapansin niyo, yung gulong niya is actually a wheel of an airplane. So doon siya nag-start. It started using parts that they can gather from the war.
Yes.
And that's how it started.
Siguro, if I may add to that one, pag napansin niyo yung gulong ng Vespa, yung front wheel niya, di ba usually fork? Tinidor
Isa kanya, isa lang.
Sa kanya, isa lang. Kasi ito yung landing gear
Landing gear, yes.
ng eroplano. Yun yung originally, nung dinesign siya. Kaya, ganun yung itsura niya.
Even now ba, Sir Evan, hindi na? O yung style ng gulong pa rin.
The style is still there.
Ganun pa rin.
But of course, it's not the actual airplane wheel already. But the design has continued on from generations. From the first Vespa even up to the current model, you'll see the provenance of the design.
How about the parts of the Vespa? Kasi sabi mo, dati parts from the plane. So light yan talaga. Still light po ba?
Yes, it's still light. But of course, through technology and the design, so it has evolved, no? So it has manufactured its own parts and made Vespa what it is today.
Okay.
So it actually started with a two-stroke engine, and it has been like that for several years until I think the late 90s or 90s mga ganun, no? And then 2000s nagkaroon na ng 4-stroke kasi it was more fuel efficient and more greener to the environment.
Ito rin yung mga motor na makikita nyo dati. Yung sa mga old movies na yung may spare tire.
Yung isang leading pizza company, yun ba ang gamit nila? Yung kulay yellow?
Yun.
Yun pala yun.
How is it compared doon sa ating yung syempre sabi mo it started after the war. How is it compared doon sa Philippines na gamit natin like mga Japanese motorcycles na ginagamit sa tricycle o kung saan-saan na pangkalakal?
Well, it's when we talk about motorcycles kasi it's very different from a Vespa.
Yes.
Kasi the Vespa is categorized as a scooter.
Oh.
And if you look at the design of the Vespa, when the designer si Enrique Piaggio, kaya Piaggio yung brand ng Vespa because that's the family who invented Vespa during the time of the war. And when he designed the Vespa, ayaw niya yung typical motorcycle na nasa harapan mo yung gas tank, nasa ilalim yung makina, nararamdaman mo yung init. He wanted a means of transportation that is comfortable for everyone. So, if you look at the design of the Vespa, yung makina niya is nakatago dun sa ilalim ng upuan. So, ganun yung design. It's not protruding your legs, your vision,
Yes,
or
yes.
wala kang makikita. It's just parang upuan lang and then masasakyan mo siya.
Oo.
So, from the engine to the gas tank, it's all under the seat. Doon siya nakatago.
Oh.
So, that's actually the design
Yes,
of the Vespa. And if we compare it to the current motorcycles that we have here, no, from the
Opo.
Japanese, actually doon nanggagaling yung design eh. Kasi pag sinabi natin scooter,
Oo.
typically or most of the time, yung engine niya nasa ilalim
Sa
ng
ilalim.
seat, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Pag sinabi natin motor or big bike, it's usually nasa harapan
Nasa
natin. So that's yung pinaka differentiating factor between a scooter or a Vespa compared to the other motorcycles.
Nabanggit mo sir yung di ba? Si Piaggio.
Oo.
Siya yung, kumbaga sila yung nagmamanufacture.
Yes.
So that is the brand name.
Correct.
Tapos si Vespa ay model
Yes.
ng ginagawang motor ni
okay.
Piaggio.
Yun pala yun.
So ika-clarify kasi kala niyang common knowledge, Vespa is a brand.
Oo.
Hindi po siya brand.
Model.
It's a
Model.
specific line of model.
Oo, yun pala yun.
Kasi si Piaggio, meron siya iba-ibang klaseng mga motor.
Yes.
Na iba-ibang models. So, Vespa is one of them. Alam ko, meron din sila no, parang Typhoon. So, iba-iba.
Oh, pero motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Ito, may isang comment section natin dito, si Embong Paloma.
No, kilala ko
Dito
yan.
sa Ortigas. Sinatanong niya kung meron pa daw bang ibang brand maliban sa Vespa ang gawa ng Piaggio. Ayun na siguro, baka idagdag natin.
Sir Evan, no?
Maraming salamat po, Sir Embong Paloma, sa inyong katanungan.
If you notice yung Piaggio 8,
Ayun,
yung
oo.
tuk-tuk na tinatawag nila sa
tuk-tuk.
ibang country. So it's
Sa
parang
Thailand, tuk-tuk,
a delivery service na three-wheeled vehicle
Yes, yes.
service na meron bubungan and then cargo sa likod. So that's actually made by Piaggio also.
Oh, anong makina nun?
Ganon din. Kasi merong model si Vespa na PX kung tawagin. Yung cambio niya nasa kamay.
Parang...
Tapos yung si APE, yung ape ng Piaggio, ganon din basically yung
Yes.
yung
Ang
cambio niya
cambio
nandun
nasa
din sa
kamay.
kamay.
So it's basically the same scooter na nilagyan nila ng body para magmukhang three-wheeled vehicle.
Meron ba tayo may papakita na...
Wala. Pero yung mga common na public transport sa yung bansang sa Thailand. Parang ganun. Pero dito sa atin common na rin.
Yeah,
Pag
dumadami na siya.
medyo napunta ka dyan banda sa may MOA, marami na rin ganyan.
Marami na rin. Oh.
Tapos pati yung mga small business entrepreneurs, yan yung ginagamit nila.
Tapos sa Vespa, meron din iba-ibang, siyempre model yan. May iba-ibang, ano ba tawag nun? Submodel na ba? Or ano? Something?
Yes.
Oo.
So basically, with the current lineup today, there's a 125cc na tinatawag natin S125, and then we have the Primavera, which is the 150cc, and then you have the Sprint, yung square na headlight, which is also a 150cc, and then if you jump to the top of the line, yun na yung 300cc, which is called the GPS 300.
Pero meron pang in between yung 200 na PX. O mga old
yeah,
model
before,
yun.
yung mga old models kasi meron mga in-between na 250cc and then 200cc na two-stroke. Especially with the PX models.
Siguro
Kasi
total,
through time, kasi ang dami na naging Vespa models from the 40s, 50s, 60s. Every decade, maraming model na nilabas.
Paano
And
bang-
I think one of the popular ones, or what they call yung pinakamatibay na Vespa that they built, was the PX model. And that's actually the delivery service that what you mentioned kanina, na gamit ng isang pizza brand before.
Oo.
So yun yung gamit.
Okay.
Yung cambio no nasa kamay.
Yes.
Kaliwa.
Kaliwa. Oo.
Kaliwa.
Ito ang throttle, andito ang cambio. Galing Hindi ko napapansin yun.
Siguro excited na yung ating mga taga-pakinig at taga-panood.
Oo.
Kung how much?
Yun nga yung
Is
sinabi.
Vespa? Oo.
Magkano naman?
Magkano naman ito?
Okay, so basically nowadays kasi ang pinakamunang Vespa is the S125 and that goes for 155,000.
Yari ka, Mikoy Boriel. Sabi mo second hand, ha?
In terms of price range, it starts at 155 that goes all the way up to siguro nasa 420,000.
Naku po, kamahal naman.
Pero
For
may
the
mga models na
300cc.
na yung mga signature mo, yung mga collab, millions ang halaga.
Naku
Yes.
po.
Yung mga Justin
Bihis na
Bieber, yung mga Christian Dior, yung mga Sean
Witherspoon.
Yun. Umaabot ng million yung presyo.
Grabe naman pala.
Tailored to the artist or
Yes.
to
Ah, talaga?
international actor.
Tapos
actress,
may matching helmet, may
okay.
matching yung carrier na specifically made for that model and for that
Yung Vespa scooter ba, nilalagyan ng sidecar?
yung
Yes,
iba.
pwede.
Oh, yan.
Ganon.
So even yung mga vintage models or yung mga old models like the PX, kinakabitan nila ng mga sidecar. And even the newer ones now,
Yes.
nagpapalagay din sila ng mga sidecar.
Grabe, no?
Galing, ang galing. Oo. So yung pricing niya, how do you find it being a Vespa user for quite some time? How do you find it naman when it comes to, halimbawa, yung maintenance, repair, or should there be any troubleshooting that needs to be done? Paano naman po yun? How do you
So with the
go
current
about it?
models naman, it's very easy, no? Twist and go lang kasi siya kasi wala nang gears. Unlike the older models that you have a clutch and then the gear on the left.
Yes, yes.
So this one is like any other normal automatic motorcycle or scooter with your throttle and brake levers. In terms of costing, it actually really depends, no? Pero siguro for a regular change oil, nasa 2,000, 2,500,
So almost the same na
3,000.
rin ng mga common na motorcycles.
Yes, almost the same naman. And in terms of the fuel capacity, as far as I know, it has bigger capacity than the others, no? Kasi normally ang full tank ng Vespa ngayon is anywhere between 7 to 8 liters. And in terms of the consumption, I usually get around 29 kilometers per liter on
Wow.
my 300cc na
Matipid.
Vespa.
Tipid yun.
So it's really a good everyday commuter, especially here no, with the Manila traffic and
Yes,
all that.
yes.
It gets you to your destination easier and on
Yes.
time. And of course, syempre with the style of the Vespa, because of the brand, it has inherited a rich culture and cult following from way back when it started, no. So hindi lang siya functional but maporma rin siya.
Yun, oh.
Kaya marami rin na nangangarap magkaroon ng Vespa nowadays.
Yeah.
Especially nung nag-pandemic, maraming bumili ng motor and that's actually when kumbaga the hype started, when everybody started getting into Vespa.
Kaya nga meron sila parang tinatawag na yung mods culture. Parang
Ano naman yun?
ganun yung mga, paano ba yung mga mods na yung mga pormahan ng pagdaka-Vespa?
Normally kasi ang naging fashion, no, if you notice yung movie ni Audrey Hepburn, back in the day,
Old movie,
yun yung ginamit
mga
na
classic,
scooter. Kaya yung pormahan nila noon, they were wearing suits, tapos nakadress yung babae. So it's a vehicle that you can practically wear anything. Unlike sa motorcycle na kailangan naka-jacket ka, naka-pads ka, and all that full face. Etong Vespa, you can practically wear anything, no? Kung ano man forma ang gusto mo. Of course, considering the safety standards.
Safety,
Oo,
that
kasi yung
we have
classic
here.
niya eh. Kakaiba yung classic niya.
Kaya pati helmet, medyo...
Yung parang sa aeroplano na tawag
Oo,
doon, yung sa
parang-
Yamashita na...
parang pampiloto.
Oh, pampiloto.
Pero yung purpose nun, yung safety features nun, nandun pa rin.
Correct.
Correct. Siguro so exciting to continue with the discussions but we have to check the time.
Yeah.
7:25 po ng gabi, magbabalik po ang kapatiran para sa bayan.
Okay.
Alright, maraming salamat po Miss Jen Patrolla sa inyong lingkod na serbisyo. Siyempre, babatiin ko lang din po ng mabilisan ng isa nating tagapakinig at tagapanood, si Dennis Pedraha ng Nueva Ecija, no? At saka siyempre, isa pang may birthday, si Mike Muans ng Pasig. Mike Muans ng Pasig. Apo Pasigueño. Happy birthday po sa iyo ngayon. Happy birthday.
Hay ko lang naman din yung best friend kong judge dun sa Family Court, Branch 17. Sana hindi ko po kayo maging bias. Antipolo City.
Antipolo. Sige, yung question natin kanina.
Hindi, kanina kasi di ba pinag-usapan natin yung Vespa Club of the Philippines. Tapos describe ni Sir Evan ko ano yung Vespa. And yung dynamism about the scooter. Ngayon, let's look at the organization naman. So, meron kasi sinasabi na Vespa World Club. So, ano ba yung Vespa World Club?
So, Vespa World Club is actually the mother organization when it comes to all the Vespa clubs around the world. So, pag sinabi natin Vespa World Club, siya yung mother umbrella, no? And then, below that, meron representation bawat country sa mundo.
Kasama ang Philippines doon, sir?
Yes. So, kasama ang Philippines doon under Vespa Club of the Philippines.
So, kumbaga parang United Nations.
Meron ba tayong mga mapapakita o ma-share natin sa nakikinig o nanonood sa atin ngayon? Ayun pala, meron. Paki-plus nga po na malaki, ma'am. Maraming salamat po.
Anong model yan Sir Evan? Yan.
Yan.
This is a Vespa GS150 yung kanina, no?
Yan po.
And then yung mga luma, yan yung mga tinatawag na faro baso, yung may ilaw dun sa
baba yung ilaw.
Sa baba yung ilaw.
Okay.
Ito,
yan, yung mga PX.
mga club yan.
Yes.
Saan yan, sir? Saan yan?
Actually, these photos were taken during the Vespa World Days.
Recently.
Kasi every year kasi, the Vespa World Clubs holds an annual event. So, this one, flashing on the screen, this was held last June 2023 in Interlaken, Switzerland.
Switzerland.
So, every year, iba-iba yung locations niya, whether it's around Europe, America, or Asia. But mostly, it's held in Europe.
Yun, sir. Ano yung hawak niyo dyan? Ano yun?
Yan yung tinatawag namin na leg shield banner nung Vespa Club of the Philippines. So, kasama namin dyan yung Vespa World Club President, si Mauro, and the other officers, no? Including yung mga ibang delegates from the Philippines.
Wow.
So, this is an annual event?
Yes, this is an annual World Club event where all of the World Clubs join, no? So, regardless of the location, you'll have different clubs flying into that country.
Eto, sir, sino to? Si Bong Labusta ba yan?
Ito si Ilak Diaz, one of the delegates and members ng Vespa Club of the Philippines. So, this is one of the side trips that we took sa Lake Brienne sa Interlaken.
Kamukha ni...
Kaya tayo makapunta ron.
Yan nga Eto, nag-message si Anthony Belay. I was there in Switzerland during the event. Galing Shout out say, sir.
Very good.
Bukod, sir, dun sa Vespa World Days, ano pa yung mga activities ng Vespa World Club?
So, meron din tinatawag na European Vespa Days. So, yun naman, that's all focused on clubs in Europe, no? So, every year, meron mga nakalatag events. If you go to the website ng vespaworldclub.org, you'll see all the events that you can attend to. But with the World Club kasi, you need to register with an affiliate club. Which is the official club of the country. So in this case, Vespa Club of the Philippines or VCOP is the only national club and the one affiliated with Vespa World Club.
So meron bang possibility na magkaroon ng multiple affiliated clubs sa isang bansa?
Based from the rules, you can only have one country per club. Isang club per country.
How many members na po ang Vespa Philippines?
In our roster, we have a total of about 600 to 700 members.
Dami na din.
But normally kasi, especially, syempre hindi mo maiwasan magkaroon ng mga local clubs na tinatawag natin. So under the mother club, like yung similar to Vespa World Club, under Vespa Club of the Philippines, we also have yung mga local clubs na tinatawag. So
Oo.
for example,
National lang, kumbaga, na
Oo,
Philippines
Vespa
only.
Club of Manila, Vespa Club of Mandaluyong.
Oo.
So, some are city-based, but some have name-based also, no? Depende on what club they wanna put up.
Meron din kayong mga parang regular meetings or
Yes,
event?
nagkakaroon din tayo ng
Meetups.
event and mga annual gatherings, no? Actually, one of the things that I would like to discuss also
Yan.
tonight
Yun.
is yung upcoming event namin, which is called the Grand Vespa Days.
Yun.
Grand
Ano
Vespa.
ba yun? Ano ba yung Grand
Meron ba
Vespa
tayo
Day?
ano doon?
So,
Meron ba
the
tayong
Grand
mga
Vespa
fashion
Days,
system?
ito yung tinatawag namin na Grand Eyeball, no? So, this is basically a yearly tradition that we hold annually.
Okay.
Medyo nahinto lang nitong mga
Pandemic.
nakaraan dahil sa pandemic.
Okay.
But now we're holding it for the first time again. And it's basically one of the biggest gatherings among Vespa scooter enthusiasts.
Oh.
So, this event, everyone is welcome to join. Hindi lang mga members of the Vespa Club of the Philippines, but to anyone who owns Vespa scooters or who would like to get into the Vespa scene.
Sir, Evan, may nagtanong po dito si Lito Padilla ng Pasig Lodge 409. Tinatanong po niya paano daw pong sumali sa Vespa Club Philippines.
Yun.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Lito.
Kailangan siguro ng Vespa.
No.
Well, tama po yun. Kailangan yun ng Vespa para
Yes.
sumali sa
Yes,
Vespa
yes.
Club of the Philippines. But when you have a Vespa already and you want to join VCOP, we actually have an official Facebook page
Ayun, pag-isabi na lang
and
po.
open group. You can message us there.
Anong pangalan po?
Anong pangalan po? Anong
Vespa Club of the Philippines, VCOP,
okay.
yung official page natin in
Wala nang
Facebook.
iba.
Wala nang iba.
online ang
Yes,
application?
online.
pwede?
Yes,
Oo.
pwedeng online.
Yun.
And then we have a membership fee of, well, right now kasi winave muna namin yung membership fee for this year, no?
Yes.
But normally we have the membership fee at around 2,500 for new members and then 2,000 for the renewing members. So normally nagkakaroon tayo ng kit each year depending on the officer. So kanya-kanyang gimmick, whether you'll have the club shirt, leg shield banner, so iba-ibang design per year.
Yes. Oo. So ano yung mga perks naman of being a member of Vespa?
Okay. I think this is mostly asked no when one applies in becoming a member. But I think aside from what includes dun sa membership, kasi when you talk about membership, parang iniisip ng mga tao, it's always, ano bang kasama niyan? Ano bang makukuha ko dyan sa 2.5? I mean, that's normal, no? You'll have the paraphernalias like the official club uniform, yung mga patches, stickers, sometimes meron kami yung mga headgear na tinatawag, balaclava. And then sometimes we also release yung mga special commemorative helmets, especially pagka mga 10th year anniversary, 15 years.
Significant years.
Mga badges, meron tayo nun. But more importantly
Protocol
kasi,
plate, baka meron din.
yeah, but more importantly kasi, we're the only club that is recognized and affiliated by the Vespa World Club. So, kumbaga, when you go to other countries like, let's say, Japan, mapunta ka sa US, you can get in touch with, let's say, Vespa Club US, no? Pwede kang makipag-get in touch with them, and then you can converse, makakapag-transact kayo, exchange stickers, exchange badges. So, yung brotherhood is actually not just in the Philippines itself, but around the world.
International,
Kasi that's the essence of the Vespa World Club, no? It's a brotherhood that is worldwide, not just in your country. So yun yung kagandahan when it comes to being a member of VCOP.
Okay, do you do also yung mga charity works?
Yes,
Since
we
you've been
also have
mention of a,
charity works, no?
organization.
So iba-iba siya per year depending on what the officers organize. But we also do charity works.
Okay, kailan ba yung Grand Vespa
Grand
Days?
Vespa Days.
Kailan
Oo.
ba yun?
Lapit na
So
yan.
the
Tsaka
Grand
saan?
Vespa Days is coming up on September 16 to 17.
Uy, malapit na.
It's a 2-day event, Saturday and Sunday. So this is going to be held at the Venice Piazza, McKinley Hill, Taguig City. So yung Venice Piazza, yun yung meron doon parang sa Italy, yung may piazza and with a gondola. So we intended to have it there to make it parang an all-Italian theme, no?
Can we get also a discount like 70%?
Pagka senior, si Lito Padilla, yun nga yung sinabi niya, may discount pa pag senior.
Oo, doon sa... Meron din mga sale doon.
Registration, no? Meron
Yeah, the registration fee is, if you get the full entry fee kasi, it's worth 2,500, no?
Okay.
The full entry fee, you'll get the official shirt of the event. You'll have your raffle ticket. So, meron tayong nira-raffle off na S125 na Vespa.
Pwede na rin.
Ano yun? Scooter din?
Yes.
Scooter,
Yes, a chance to
pinaka-low
win
end
a
yata na
Vespa.
Vespa.
Entry level.
Entry level.
Yes. Whether full entry or light entry, you'll earn a raffle ticket for that.
Wow.
Ang difference lang ng full entry, which is 2.5 as compared to the light entry for 1.5. Meron kasing kasamang food yung full entry, and at the same time you'll get to park your Vespa doon mismo sa event proper,
No, para
doon
VIP
sa
parking.
event area mismo sa loob ng mall.
Yes, yes.
So
Saan yan?
that's
McKinley?
where
Sa McKinley. Parang,
Pero if you're not
Venice.
yet a member, you want to be registered there
actually
just to
even if
attend.
you're not a member, you can join.
Attend
You
the
can
event.
still join.
Yeah.
So the event is pretty much open to all Vespa
To all.
enthusiasts.
Galing.
Ganda.
so what do we expect pagdating dun sa
Event.
Grand Vespa Days?
Yes.
Okay. So yung Grand Vespa Days is like a Woodstock event. So it's basically an outdoor event na full of festivities. So magkakaroon tayo ng live band. We'll have different entertainment from showcasing Italian culture. And then magkakaroon din tayo ng mga booth of mga Vespa accessories and different brands during the event. So, bukod dun sa festivities, you'll have merchandises na naka-display dun wherein you can purchase yung mga accessories. Magkakaroon tayo ng swap meet para sa mga merchandises. And then for syempre sa mga local clubs that will be going there, makakapag-exchange patches tayo, banners and stickers.
Meet
and greet, oh.
Meet and
Yes,
greet,
meet and
oh.
greet.
Okay, so bago ulit, time check muna po.
7:47 na gabi, magbabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan.
Okay, nagbabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan. Nandito pa rin po tayo. Kasama si Sir Evan.
At saka,
tungkol sa Vespa Club.
may kasama na din siya
May
ngayon.
kasama na.
May kasama.
Sino kasama mo, sir?
Say hi.
So, this is actually my sister, Justine Severino, who's actually based in France.
Member din ng
she's
Vespa.
nasa dito ngayon.
Bayan na.
Parlez-vous français.
So actually, fun fact, back in 2006, nung tinayo yung Vespa Club of the Philippines, it was actually our father who founded Vespa Club of the Philippines.
Wow.
So siya yung isa sa mga pioneers pagdating sa Vespa in the Philippines. So sila yung mga tinatawag namin na lumang
Ayun, no?
tao.
No? May picture sila, oh. Saan ito, sir,
This
ma'am?
was actually in Milan, Italy.
Oh.
Kasi meron tayong member doon, si Oliver. So he's based there, and ito yung scooters niya that
Anong tawag yan, sir?
Oo nga.
yung scooter na ito, yung dalawa yan yung faro baso.
Kasi nasa baba yung ilaw.
Oo, nasa baba yung
faro
ilaw.
baso.
Magkaiba yung...
Magkaiba yung model. I'm just not particularly sure of the exact
Anong model na yan? Year
Pero
model po
ano
yan?
yan, nasa 19 I think 50s yata.
Wow.
Grabe, no? Grabe makapag-restore.
Classic na yan, oh. Oo, okay.
Ang galing talaga.
So,
Sige, sir.
dyan pa yung aeroplano yung yung gulong. Hindi na. Medyo
Hindi na.
Hindi na.
Hindi na. Okay.
Sir Evan, mag-invite ka na ulit para dun
Yes,
sa
yes.
upcoming activity ng Vespa Club of the Philippines, yung Grand Vespa Days.
Okay, so we're inviting everyone on September 16 to 17, Saturday to Sunday, for Vespa Club of the Philippines Grand Vespa Days. So this event is open to all Vespa owners and Vespa enthusiasts in the Philippines. We're actually having international guests like Vespa Club Mexico. They're coming here.
Viva la
Also,
Raza.
Vespa Club Indonesia. They're also coming here to attend the event. So although this is locally organized, we'll have international guests flying here to the country.
Oh,
so
nice.
it's open to everyone. It's gonna be a fun-filled 2-day event, and then there's gonna be a parade on the day 2 on Sunday around McKinley Hill and McKinley West.
And I think this is also being supported by the Italian...
Yes, so we are being supported by Moto Italia, which is basically the distributor of Piaggio Vespa here in the Philippines.
Galing, galing.
And then we're also supported by the Philippine-Italian Embassy, and then the Philippine-Italian Association.
The Italian community in the Philippines.
Oh,
galing.
meron palang ganun, ha?
Oo.
Shoutout
Saka
natin sa kanila.
Any website or contact number that we can
Register.
Reach,
so that we can register it?
You can just reach us at Vespa Club of the Philippines, gmail.com. So
Vespa.
vespaclubph@gmail.com, or you can reach us in our official Facebook page.
Yun.
Kasi all of the details for the event are posted there, as well as the QR or the registration link.
Yun. So may nakalink, meron ng
Yes.
QR code na.
O, bati-bati na tayo.
High-tech na. Oo.
Oo nga, no?
Sir, baka meron kang gustong i-shout out.
Yes.
Ayan.
Well, shout out to our fellow officers, si Captain Timola, PRO Jopaps, Ride Director Rex Garcia, of course, si Attorney Treasurer Sherwin. And then, shout out also to our dad, the founding president of Vespa Club of the Philippines,
Hi, sir.
Rico Severino.
Sir Rico.
Sir Rico,
Okay.
daw po. Si sister. Baka...
Si sister, baka meron kang batiin.
Gusto mo
In
din.
Birthday.
France. Ayan, in
Birthday.
France.
Yeah, two of my friends are celebrating their birthdays this month. So
Name.
si Camille Pineda and Francesca Blanco.
Uy.
Taga Francesca.
Francesca.
So you want to say something in French?
Oh,
Say something in
sample,
English.
sample lang,
Vespa
sample.
Club France.
Je parle français le Thomas.
English na pala ito. Hindi na
Yun na ba yan?
lang. Bonsoir, merci.
Oo.
Yun na lang.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, hi kay Iya, tsaka kay Dindin. Nasa UK na yung anak ko.
Uy.
Oo, kahit pa paano.
Pag-bestpahin mo na.
si Emil, nag-ano siya ulit dun sa Demolay.
Oo.
Kahapon.
Nice.
So ako shout out ulit sa aking mga anak. Kay Sofia, kay Shane, kay Sean, tsaka kay Santi. Tapos again, advance happy birthday kay Sofia on September 6.
Oh.
At
Teka.
meron pang 112
12 days.
12 days?
Oh, before
Before
Christmas.
Christmas.
Ang galing na.
Kasi September na.
Meron na, oh.
Siyempre, shoutout ko din si Jose Barichan. Maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa Talavera Lodge 273 Lodge inauguration September 16 and birthday month of Worshipful Master Mayor Junior Santos. At saka siyempre babating ko din sa aking kabatch na si Randy Inosante ng 2005. Happy viewing sa iyo, batch, at mabuhay ang 2005 batch ng Alpha Pi Omega.
Ba?
Okay.
Siyempre.
Pamimili mo kuya, baka
Wala pa, mahaba pa eh. Mahaba pa. May 3 minutes pa eh. Baka meron pa tayong
Ulitin
ano.
natin yung kay Sir.
Oo, yung
Grand
activity
Vespa
ulit.
Day,
Yung Grand Vespa
activity.
Day.
Oo. Baka merong
Nakaligtaan.
Nakaligtaan, any message,
Pahabol.
pahabol, mga ganyan.
Actually, wala naman. Wala na lahat.
Oo, pero
So, Grand Vespa
ulitin
Day is-
natin. Grand Vespa Day is on
September 16 and 17.
17.
At
McKinnis Piazza, McKinley Hill.
full entry 25,
Light
light
entry
entry
15.
15. For details, you can visit
Vespa.
Vespa Club of the Philippines
Facebook page.
Facebook page.
Or email
Or you
at
can email
yung-
us at vespaclubph@gmail.com.
Yan, malinaw.
Shoutout kay Binagol Queen, Joan Tanok
Yun.
Sala.
Baka naman.
Baka naman sa susunod ay padalhan mo naman kami dito. Oo.
May binagol na.
Binagol na.
May litsong manok.
May leleng's lechon pa ni Christian Ramos.
Sabayan natin ang beer.
Ayan, ng Solomon Craft Beer. Maraming salamat po. Batiin ko na mabilis ang aking may bahay. Si Ethel Pestaño, nagpapalakas ngayon. Ang aking mga anak, si Caleb, si Mikay, at si Maya na nanonood po sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat po.
Okay.
Kay
At
Sherwin.
susunod na po ang programa.
Wala pa eh.
Wala pa.
Pasalamatan muna natin yung mga
Ayan.
ating mga on duties ngayon.
Siyempre.
Oo.
Kanina, tinitignan natin yung mga on duty eh.
Pasalamatan natin.
Okay, si Tek, Aldrin Cruz, Gillian Reyes, Kay Constantino, Chelo Pingol, Writers.
Hana Oledan, Jen Patrolia.
Yes, si Jeff.
Oh.
Okay, and
CA Jessa Barameda. Kuya Sherwin.
Na to.
At
Next
susunod na
program.
programa po ay Stories by Pangga Nika with Ma'am Nika Abad.
Wala pa, 7:58 pa lang eh.
Ulitin
Oy.
na.
Meron pa sasabihin?
Meron pa.
Nagmamadali daw tayo. Pagpapadala na daw si Binagol Queen.
Iya.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Binagol Queen.
Maghihintay po namin yan.
Next week. Sana matikman pa. Meron pa tayong mabilis na
Talagang sinasagad.
sagarin natin.
Kasi,
Yung mga
inalisan tayo ng 5 minutes eh.
anyways, baka meron pa.
Ano lang po yung mga kababayan natin nasa labas, medyo maulan ng panahon. So stay
Ingat-ingat
safe, stay clean, keep dry. Kasi
Ingat sa pag-drive.
Pag nabasa ka ng ulan, alam mo, susunod yan, ubot sipon. Siyempre, hindi pa rin naman nawawala yung COVID. Alam natin.
Yan pa rin yan.
Siguro naman si Sir Evan di naka-best pa ngayon. Kasi ulan eh.
Hindi, mahirap. Pasalamatan ko ulit na mabilis si JD Garcia doon sa Barangay Calamansian 117 Caloocan North. Yun lang papasalamatan ko sa mga service na ginawa nyo noong nakaraan.
Okay.
Wow.
Sige po, magbabalik po ulit next week ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, si Kuyang Doc Joppy, kasama si
Ako ni Sherwin Enriquez.
At Jerry Sadsad po.
Magbabalik.
God be the glory.
Yun.
Thank you.